Hello and welcome back to Everbee London Sewing Bee. This is a short video about an event I attended yesterday, the 12th of August, in Chiswick, West London. There are a few events that would entice me to visit West London at a weekend due to the never-ending tube network engineering works, but the thought of combining birthday cake and fabric shopping together at one venue was impossible for me to resist. This was my first visit to Sew Me Sunshine, who were hosting an open day at their Lightbox offices on Power Road to celebrate 6 years of operation. When I say that the staff were super friendly, helpful, kind, efficient and nice, I'm not exaggerating. The store, while small, packed with quality fabrics with plenty of bargain baskets, filled to the brim with beautiful offcuts. All very useful lengths at discounted prices. I will share my purchases at the end of this video and the sewing plans and tips in a soon to follow separate video. Members of the Sew Me Sunshine online store can enjoy a discount on their purchases, but act quickly as I believe one of the discount codes ends at 8 AM tomorrow, Monday the 14th of August. Links can be found in the description box below. Overall, I had a lovely time at the venue and left with loads of fabrics and sewing ideas thanks to the team at Sew Me Sunshine. I look forward to their next open day. Keep an eye out for event notices on their website and do pay them a visit if you're in the area next time they host an open day. You won't be disappointed. Thank you to everyone at Sew Me Sunshine for a wonderful morning and happy birthday. Thanks for watching and happy sewing. And until next time, bye for now.